Good posture is more than just standing up straight to look confident and poised. It is essential for overall health and well-being. Poor posture can lead to a host of problems, including back pain, neck pain, headaches, and even issues with digestion and breathing. In today's world, where many of us spend long hours sitting at desks or looking down at our smartphones, maintaining good posture is more challenging and more important than ever. This guide will provide you with practical tips and exercises to help you improve your posture and prevent the negative health effects of poor alignment. Understanding posture. Posture refers to the position in which you hold your body while standing, sitting, or lying down. Proper posture involves training your body to stand, walk, sit, and lie in positions where the least strain is placed on supporting muscles and ligaments. There are two types of posture: dynamic, how you move, and static, how you hold yourself while not moving. Both types are crucial for maintaining a healthy body. The importance of good posture. Good posture helps you in numerous ways. It reduces back and neck pain. Proper alignment prevents unnecessary strain on your spine. Improves breathing. Correct posture opens up the chest and allows for better lung expansion. Enhances digestion. Proper posture can improve digestion by allowing organs to function without unnecessary compression. Boosts confidence. Standing tall can improve your overall appearance and boost your self-confidence. Prevents fatigue. Proper alignment allows muscles to work more efficiently, reducing fatigue. Common posture problems. Forward head. Also known as text neck, this occurs when the head is positioned forward, leading to strain on the neck and shoulders. Rounded shoulders, this is common among individuals who sit for long periods, leading to a slouched appearance. Anterior pelvic tilt, the pelvis tilts forward, causing an exaggerated curve in the lower back. Kyphosis, an excessive outward curve of the upper spine, leading to a hunched back. Sway back, the hips are pushed forward and the upper body is leaned back, causing lower back pain. How to improve your posture. Improving your posture involves making conscious changes to your daily habits and incorporating specific exercises to strengthen and stretch the necessary muscles. Here are some steps to get started. Standing posture. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Shoulders back. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down to open up your chest. Engage core muscles. Tighten your stomach muscles to support your spine. Balance weight. To distribute your weight evenly on both feet, keeping them shoulder width apart. Sitting posture. Sit back in your chair. Use the backrest of your chair for support. Feet flat on the floor. Ensure your feet are flat and your knees are at hip level. Neutral spine. Keep your back straight with a slight natural curve. Elbows at 90 degrees. When typing or using a mouse, your elbows should be at a right angle. Sleeping posture. Use a supportive mattress. A good mattress should support the natural curve of your spine. Sleep on your back or side. These positions are best for maintaining spinal alignment. Pillow position. Use a pillow that keeps your head in a neutral position, avoiding pillows that are too high or too flat. Exercises to improve posture. Incorporating specific exercises into your routine can help strengthen the muscles needed for good posture and stretch those that are tight from poor habits. Chin tucks. Stand or sit with your back straight. Pull your chin back as if trying to make a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Shoulder blade squeezes. Sit or stand with your back straight. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, hold for 5 seconds, and repeat 10 times. Wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, arms at 90 degrees. Slide your arms up and down the wall, keeping your back and arms in contact with the wall. Repeat 10 times. Cat-cow stretch. On your hands and knees, arch your back up and then let it sink down. Repeat 10 times to improve spine flexibility. Hip flexor stretch. kneel on one knee with the other foot in front. Push your hips forward gently until you feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. Tips for maintaining good posture. If you sit for long periods, take breaks every 30 minutes to stand up, stretch, and move around. Adjust your workspace. Ensure your computer screen is at eye level and your chair supports your lower back. Stay active. Regular exercise, especially activities like yoga and Pilates, can improve your overall posture. Be mindful, pay attention to how you're sitting, standing, and moving throughout the day. Make adjustments as needed. Strengthen core muscles. A strong core supports your spine and helps maintain good posture. Doing this every day helps reduce pain, improves breathing and digestion, boosts confidence, and prevents fatigue. By understanding the importance of posture, identifying common problems, and implementing strategies to improve it, you can significantly enhance your quality of life. Incorporate these tips and exercises into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to better posture and a healthier, more confident you.